Good morning, Vlogmas day 7 in full effect. It has become an accidental tradition to order out breakfast on Saturday, specifically Ruby's, so we can get the country fried steak. I am going into work today. We have an event, and I do have a few site tours and a details appointment. I will perfect these curls if it kills me. I'm off to work, but first, coffee. This Kirkland cold brew is so good. If you've never tried it, you need to. I'm waiting on my details appointment. They're late. They're getting married at the end of the month, and I need to know all the things that they want. We have an event today, school banquet. Details appointment went great, and now I'm just bringing it to life. I also just did a wedding site tour that went really well. They were a little quiet, but that happens. I just did a site tour for our little ceremony site, and I dropped them off at their cars. They were such a sweet couple, and they brought like their whole family with them. Bye! There they go. They're so cute. I just really love their energy, and I love it when people like talk back and they have like a conversation with you. It's just so much fun. I hope they book with us. I would love to work with them. The whole family was great. So we have another school event tonight, and the same balloon lady is doing this too. The parents haven't gotten here to start setting up the tables, but so far so good on our end. We also have the balloon stacks. Wait for it. I'm going to show you one of my favorite backdrops I've ever seen. Is this not like the cutest thing you've ever seen? I love it so much. Ooh! I'm just imagining all the selfies and all the photos that are gonna be taken right here, just like that. The workday is over. I am in the sales part of events. I'm not operations, so I don't really stay for the events. So if an event is really late in the day, I don't really get the opportunity to stay and see everything, which does make me sad, but work-life balance, you know? And before I go home, I'm stopping at Costco because Sadie is out of her bully sticks. It's been a few days since she's had one, and I feel bad for her, so I'm gonna pick them up real quick, and I'm gonna grab all the other things I need. I go to Costco every 2 weeks, so I'm due to be going. So I just filmed my little Costco intro for my TikTok video that I make every 2 weeks. If you are interested to see what I get on this Costco trip, you can go watch that video. I touched up the makeup, touched up the hair, got a tear in my tights, so I had to change tights, and the color of the tights I had to put on made me have to change my sweater, and Matt and I are off to dinner. But on a side note, if you've never tried brown tights instead of black tights, it's like a game changer for your outfits. I have to order new ones now because my last pair just ripped. Honestly, game changer for outfits. For dinner, we went to the Anaheim Packing District. There's just so many different options here to choose from. There's a speakeasy here called the Blind Rabbit that we'll be going to in a couple weeks, but we're going to Urbana again. It's a contemporary Mexican restaurant that we've been loving. Their food and their drinks are so good. Thank you. Matt got their smoked margarita, and I got the pumpkin spice margarita, which I was really worried about. It was actually so good. Then Matt wanted to try their oysters. They sounded really interesting. They came with the shrimp on top. He said they were so good. I did not have any because I can't do raw oyster. I can do oysters Rockefeller, but that's about it. Matt got his two favorite tacos, one of them being the fish taco, and I got their special. It was a dual tamale plate, and they were so good. And then we decided to drink our dessert. Just kidding. We went to get ice cream. Matt loves this place. The ice cream is homemade. It's delicious. The flavors are always changing. I got Oreo coffee and like a toffee vanilla. It was so good. And then we went home and watched a couple episodes of Man on the Inside. It's from the creators of The Good Place, and it's a really cute show. I'll see you tomorrow. We have a toy drive to go to.